Is your iPhone automatically going into sleep mode and silencing calls or notifications? In this guide, I will show you exactly how to turn off sleep mode on your iPhone so you stay fully connected whenever you need. Start by unlocking your iPhone and swiping down from the top right corner to access the control center. Here, tap on the focus option and then tap on the sleep mode button to turn the sleep mode off. When you do this, the sleep icon should disappear from the status bar. If sleep focus keeps turning on automatically, it's because of a schedule. To stop that, open the settings app and tap on the focus option. Here, tap on the sleep focus option. Scroll down and tap on schedule or next schedule. Turn off the toggle for schedule toggle. You can also delete the sleep focus completely if you like. Simply scroll down on the sleep focus settings page and tap on delete focus option. And that's it. Sleep focus is now turned off on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out more iPhone tips on iOS Hacker. Thanks for watching.